Presentation Convent Girls High School, Class Nursery, Subject Maths. I have opened page number 67 from the Maths copy, and on this page the heading is What comes between? What comes between? Children, spell this word between with me. BETWEEN, between, and it means in the middle or in the center. Now children, some numbers are written on the left side of this page and some numbers are written on the right side of this page. But this blank is given in between two numbers. So I am going to revise the counting and I will put the number which comes in between these two numbers. So children, which number is this? 0. And which number is this? 2. So which number comes in between 0 and 2? So let's revise the counting. 0, 1, 2. So I am going to write 1 in between 0 and 2. So 0, 1, 2. This is number 5 and this is number 7. So which number comes in between 5 and 7? 5, 6, 7. So I am going to write 6 here. I will start from here and come like this. When I will touch this line, I will make it round and close it like this. 5, 6, 7. This is 1 and this is 3. 1, 2, 3. So I will write 2 in between 1 and 3. So look at my hand carefully. I will come like this, make a round. When I will touch this line, I will move towards the right side. 1, 2, 3. This is number 6 and this is number 8. So let's revise the counting from 6, 6, 7, 8. So 7 comes in between 6 and 8. So look at my hand. I am going to write 7. 6, 7, 8. This is number 3 and this is number 5. So let's revise the counting. 3, 4, 5. So I am going to write 4 in between 3 and 5. So 3, 4, 5. This is number 9 and this is number 11. So 9, 10, 11. So I am going to write 10 here. 1 and 0. So 9, 10, 11. So children, I hope that you will carefully revise the counting and you will write neat numbers which comes in between these two numbers. God bless you. Thank you.